Hello, I welcome you to this very interesting class on mathematics. Now, today we'll be talking about question number 36, UTME questions. And this question says that you should simplify 324 minus 4x raised to the power 2, that's 4x squared, divided by 2x plus 18. You should simplify it to its lowest term. Now, to simplify this, you need to follow some steps. What are these steps? Now, this is our question 324 minus 4x squared divided by 2x plus 18. This is difference of squares. Because if you remember, you find out that the square root of 4 is 2. And this square root of x squared is x. And the square root of 324 is 18. Right? So the numerator is the difference of square. Do you get it? So this is the difference of square. So we can just write it as this. Since this is the difference of square, which is 18 squared, right? Minus, this is what? 2x all squared. Are you with me? So this is a difference of square. This will be equal all over. This is 2x plus 18, right? Look at them. They have something in common. What's the common thing between them? It's 2, right? So we factor out 2. Open bracket. 2x divided by 2 is x. Plus 18 divided by 2 is 9. Close the bracket. So remember, difference of 2 squared. So this will be equal to 18 minus 2x, right? Open bracket, 18 plus 2x, right? All over 2, open bracket, x plus 9. Right, this is all it is. Now, if you look at the numerator, it can still be simplifying to smallest term. Right, you can still bring it down to its smallest term. Now, how do you bring it down? You find out the factors of this term and this term, this term and this term. And if you look at it very well, you find out that it's 2, right? So here, the numerator now will be 2, open bracket, 18 divided by 2 is 9. So write 9 minus 2x divided by 2 is x. So write x. Multiply by, what's the factors? The common thing here is 2. So write 2, open bracket, 18 divided by 2 is 9 plus 2x divided by 2 is x. So you divide it by 2, open bracket, x plus 9. Now, if you look at the numerator and the denominator, you find something very common, right? You find something very common. We have here 2, open bracket, x plus 9, and then 2, open bracket, 9 plus x. Now, 9 plus x and x plus 9 is the same thing. They are the same thing. That means this can cancel out this. Are you with me? This one will cancel out this. So what you're left with your answer, what you're left with here is 2, open bracket, 9 minus x as our final answer. So we write it as equal to 2, open bracket, 9 minus x, which is our final answer. From looking at it, you see that it is very interesting, very easy, if you focus your mind on it. I believe you enjoy this class. If you enjoy this class, please give us a like, and also remember to follow us and share for more of this. Thank you.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.